Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to download the OBS Studio. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster Software Studio, is a popular and open-source software application used for live streaming and recording videos. It's widely used by content creators, gamers, and professionals for various purposes, including live streaming gameplay, creating tutorials, recording podcasts, and more. Now let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome. The link for OBS Studio download has been conveniently placed in our video description below. Simply copy it and paste into your Chrome search bar. Once you've opened the website, you'll notice that there are 3 different choices for operating systems: Windows, macOS, and Linux. Choose your corresponding one. For today's demonstration, I will be selecting Windows as I'm using Windows 10. Once you've clicked the relevant operating system, the download will begin automatically. You can track this process by clicking on the downward pointing arrow icon, located at the top right corner of your Chrome screen. When the download is complete, click on the file to open it. A file security window will pop up. Select Run to move on to the next step. Following this, a user account control window will appear on your screen. Confirm by clicking Yes to proceed with the installation process. The OBS Studio setup window will appear, then select Next, and then select Next again until you reach the destination folder window. Here, you can choose where you want the application to be installed on your device. Feel free to browse for the most suitable location, and once you've decided, select Install. Now, just sit back, relax, and wait for the installation process to complete. When the installation is completed, click Finish. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully installed OBS Studio on your device. It's just that simple. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.